Your inner voice matters. The voice inside your head matters most. It matters more than you even realize. That voice can either build you up or it can tear you down and tear you apart. Criticism sounds like, I really screwed up. I played horrible. I blew it. My team's going to be mad. I always mess up. Critique sounds like, that play definitely didn't work. I will work on that. Next time, I will try this and then have a solution or practice so that you can perfect that drill, that play, whatever it was. I am always learning and improving is what you need to program into your brain. So the words you say to yourself really shape your confidence, your focus, and your inner belief. You cannot always control the situation. You cannot always control what happens in competition, in games, at practice, but you can control the voice in here. And that voice, no matter what you say, is always listening to you. So choose a voice that helps you. It helps you grow. It helps you learn. It helps you elevate your performance. Don't choose the voice that tears you down, that rips you apart, that makes you play small, that makes you lose confidence. Use the voice that creates unshakable confidence. You know this, but I'm going to tell you anyways. I believe in you. Now it's time for you to believe in yourself. Get after it.